Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to my beloved and wise judges who I really hope are having a great morning and feeling journeys with their scores. To our dedicated teachers and to my fellow, all of you, the Kudus legends. The Gen Z squad that's about to change the world. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Syahril Afwan Hadi. I am 8th grade from MTS Tahfidz Yanbur Quran Kudus. My speech today is about stop being a crowd. Let's start with a little 5 checks. Raise your hand if you ever had a brilliant idea. Anyone ever had a brilliant idea? Maybe starting a YouTube channels, joining out for the basketball teams, or finally asking that one questions from that math class. But then your brain said, after this, I will be embarrassed. What if I flop? Or the classic, I'm just a kid from Kudus. I should just stay quiet. For those who ever do that same things, welcome to the clubs. Ladies and gentlemen, we are all officially scraps in a bucket. Anyone here know why the stories of scraps in a bucket needs no lid? Anyone? It is because every time one brave scraps tries to climb up, the others pull him back down and say, "Hey, where do you think you're going? We stay at the bottom. It is cozy here." That is, my friend, it is the status quo or the current conditions right now. In old boundaries of fear. But today's things is different. It is beyond boundaries. And since we are Gen Z, isn't it? We don't just climb out the buckets, we turn the buckets into a speakers and show a party. The first step to going beyond is realizing that most of Bowie are just mental glitch. In the old days, people thought working hard meant suffering, but it's not. But it's not. In 2026, we talk about mental health and self-respect. The biggest Bowie isn't a lack of money. It is the voice that says we have to fit into someone else's mold. We need to break that mold. Second, small steps make massive impact. The Kudus symbol. You don't need to be a billionaire tomorrow to beyond Bowies. You just need 1% braver than yesterday. Look at our local hero. Is anyone here new? Who is Ibu Yuli Astuti before? She is the owner of Muria Batik Kudus. People thought batik was dead and only for old peoples. It was a dying industry. But Ibu Yuli didn't listen to the crowds. She didn't just make a cloth. She empowered the community. In 2025, she won the Pertamina Pertapreneur Awards because she trained over 7 students with special needs and disabilities. What an incredible achievement, right? She proved that being from a physical or mental boundary is no match for a creative soul. Also, you guys ever heard about the Hartono brothers, right? It is one of the richest person in Indonesia, having the biggest tobacco factory in Indonesia named the Jarum Group. We see their names everywhere, but remember, they start right here in our small town Kudus. They face the boundaries of local limits. They could be stayed as just a local factory, but they chose to be scaled. By December 2025, Forbes valued over $43.8 billion. Imagine having that lot of money. They prove that being from a small town like Kudus doesn't mean you have small possibilities. The third, the power of Gen Z voice. Think of Igide Silang Sudartawa, our swimming legends. They face the ultimate boundaries, age, and exhaustions. At the 2025 SEA Games, everyone wondered if he can still complete. He pushed through the pain to win a bronze medal, proving that the finish line is only a boundary if you stop swimming. Whether it is defending from a bully or standing right here in this stage today, actions create confidence. You don't get confident to start, you start to get confidence. And not least, to the judge, I've shown you that Kudus is full of boundary breakers. And to my fans, all of you, don't let the crabs pull you back down. Let's stop asking, what if I fail? And start asking, what if I fly? In Kudus town, where the accent is sweet, the status quo says stay in your beat. With Gen Z rise, with a rhythm and a beat. We climb the buckets, we don't know defeats. The walls are high, but our dreams are higher. Set the boundaries of us on fire, with hearts of gold and soul that never tires. Beyond boundary, it is all we desire. Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Gurus. Let's go out there and be legendary. My name is Syahril Afwan Hadi. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.